Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring essential tools are ready: Node, JS, and a code editor. You'll learn core ES6 features so you can read modern code. Initialize a Git repo and run npm init. This makes projects reproducible. Once done, write small scripts that use modules and promises so you understand module resolution and async flow. Make sure to commit early and often. This builds a reliable history and prevents losing progress while you experiment. You move into the complex middle by focusing on asynchronous control and performance. Practice promises and async/await with real network calls so you internalize error handling and flow. Then study algorithms and data structures to make your code efficient. This helps when apps scale. Build a REST API and a single-page app with state management to connect backend and front-end concepts. Once those are functional, refactor for modularity and add tests to verify behavior and guard. You finish by focusing on robustness and longevity. Adopt TypeScript and strict linting to reduce runtime bugs and integrate tests into CI/CD so deployments stay safe. Profile and optimize hotspots, then refactor using design patterns so your architecture remains maintainable. Contribute to open source and review peers' code to sharpen judgment and expose yourself to varied approaches. If things go wrong, first reproduce the bug with a minimal example, then bisect changes and add tests to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.